I done came a long way like I was K-Slay. In my heyday, I was young and productive.
Still productive.
You gotta love it. If you hate it, I don't give a fuck. Cause whether you suckers like it or not, I get a lot of love. They tryna hold me back, but I'm a fucking boss. Nobody telling me shit. That's how you cut a loss.
Before it happened.
I gotta try to keep my sanity. Lord knows I gotta try to stay away from vanity. I only troll fine bitches. What's going on, y'all? Y'all already know who it is. I ain't gotta repeat myself over and over again. Calling all New Jersey residents that don't have a job and that find it hard to make it in the New York / New Jersey area. As long as you don't have a record, you can join TaskRabbit as a tasker. Right now, TaskRabbit is struggling to find furniture assembly people in the New Jersey area. TaskRabbit is getting 100% free advertising from me right now. Just in case you didn't know, they ain't paying me for this crap. You wanna know why I do this? You wanna know why I do stuff like this? Because I'm more concerned about helping people. And on top of that, I make good money already. So, you know what I'm saying? To me, it's like whatever. You know what I'm saying? This is not the only business venture that I plan on keeping for the rest of my life. You know, I got investment plans that are real big, but that's another story. Anyway, right now, there's not enough buzz about TaskRabbit in New Jersey right now. Now, there's something else about this topic, guys, that I just want to speak about real quick. First of all, TaskRabbit is a service industry. In the service industry, there is majority people that look like me and people that are Hispanic and people that are non-white that work in this industry. In New Jersey, only God knows how many black males have records because, all because they were, taken advantage of by the American system. Y'all already know what I'm talking about. I don't got to go into depth. And unfortunately, if you have a record, you won't be able to pass. You won't be able to pass the background check. Unfortunately, it's very unfortunate because I, me personally, I believe in redemption. I believe in redemption, especially when you got a record just because you was caught with some fucking marijuana, for crying out loud. What the fuck is marijuana gonna do to somebody instead of make them relaxed and make them sluggish? You know what I'm saying? Stupid shit like that should never even be legal. It should never even be legal to slap somebody, to slap on somebody's record a marijuana charge, and that stupid fucking retarded marijuana charge keeps them from working for themselves with an opportunity like TaskRabbit. I think that's fucked up. I think that's real fucked up. Guys, excuse my language, but the black man has been severely and is still being severely disenfranchised. I've seen with my own eyes when I used to work for different companies. There was two separate staffing agencies that I went to, and there were two separate black guys that I saw at these two different staffing agencies at two different times where this occurred. Basically, both of these black males were turned down the opportunity to work, all because they had a weed charge, a marijuana charge. The same marijuana that's legal in California, the same marijuana that's legal in Colorado. If it was so evil if marijuana was so evil, then a bunch of people should be dead. A bunch of people should be dead right now, but they're not. But if you're smart, you would know that the American government has been on a mission to disenfranchise the black man since the black man came to this damn country, or since they came to America. My bad. Anyway, guys, I just went on a rant. I had to go on that rant real quick, but this video is about New Jersey residents, man or woman, doesn't matter. If you want to work for yourself, go on ahead and become a tasker like I am. You know, I work for myself. I earn a full-time income. I average $2,000 a month. I average that. Shouldn't be telling y'all that, but I just want to let y'all know the potential. My two biggest earners, my two biggest earning categories are moving help and furniture assembly. Okay, so if you wanna join us, come on. You know what I'm saying? Just come on and join us. All right. Thank you for watching. Y'all already know who it is. Peace out for now.
Hella paper flowing to me from separate sources. So much dope in the bank, it's hard to count the losses. The last of a giant breed, yeah, I'm talking bosses. Made of money, I made of money. Hella paper flowing to me from separate sources. So much dope in the bank, it's hard to count the losses. The last of a giant breed, yeah, I'm talking bosses. Made of money, I made of money. You can keep that $30, boy, I made of money. That's lesson learned, yo, that's why it's hard to trust.